Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the polytunnel today. It's Sunday. We're getting a few jobs done, but today it's mainly de-weeding and just tidying up the plot. It's been quite messy today, so I've been having a bit of a weed. You can see there's a bit of sweat on, but I'll just show you how the tomatoes are doing and what we've done out in the garden, out the front. So we're just going to give you a quick update on the tomatoes. So this is the first one. Look at all these nicely red tomatoes. I've got a sucker that's coming all the way down there that we don't really need, but we've still got lots of tomatoes. This one I don't quite know what's happened with. This one I think the string has broke, because we can see the string is doing something odd here. And then we've got another one here that sent out quite a few runners. Got a few little tomatoes on here. We can see there's some tomatoes on the ground, and even some that have been eaten. But look at this one. Look at the tomatoes here. Look at these ones. They're looking really good. These are the heart-shaped ones. They're looking really good, just starting to turn. Although someone's been nibbling on that tomato. These are Gormanson Heritage. And they're looking really cool. Look at that one. Some more damage. This one sent out lots of runners. Lots of flowers. So some of these need to be removed. This one is our chocolate orange. Our chocolate tomato. So we can see some of these are turning chocolatey, so that's looking really good. We've got some rain, and this tomato, well, I don't really know what it's doing. It's just sent out branches absolutely everywhere, and this is Crocini. I've never seen a tomato quite as random as that. But yeah, there we go. So that's a bit of an update of our tomatoes in the polytunnel. Just removed all the broad beans and the onions. That's some of the tomatoes that we've taken off. Cucumbers looking extremely sad. And the poppies. So we just cleaned all this. Need to get away some of the roots. There we go. We pruned the grapes. We've got some lovely grapes. So the broad beans are pretty much done now. We've been weeding all of our beds. We've got our lettuce bed, been weeding that. We've got some courgettes. So we've took out our onions out of this bed, the onions and garlic. So we planted more beetroot, we planted some lettuce leaves, and we've also planted this lettuce, this salad leaf, Claytona. So that'd be quite interesting. So outdoor tomatoes, I've done absolutely nothing compared to indoors. but we're looking good. Just getting a bit of rain. We've got some sunflowers. We've got a bit of colour. But one thing that's a bit disturbing is the pumpkin. The pumpkin in a pot. It's gone. Have any ideas what to do with that? It's looking okay. We've got some flowers, but I'm not sure. So what do we do with a pumpkin? So the outdoor pumpkins are doing okay. They're not spreading much. This one is spreading much, and I've just teased it towards this rail. Hopefully it will go up and around the cage. The runner beans, they're not running. They're not doing much at all. Not doing much at all. And there we go. And we've got our lettuce bed that we've just been giving a bit of a weed, bit of a tidy. Tomato outdoor. They've got some tomatoes. These tomatoes have got some on there. And check out our lovely sunflower. So just harvested a few of the garlics so we can take them home. Lovely poppy. We need to dehead the dianthus, and we need to get into our flower bed and the pond. That's a job for another day. So to keep the roses blooming, just cutting off the dead heads. We don't want it to seed. We want it to produce more flowers. So just going round, deadheading the rose. It looks a lot better, and then it's going to encourage it to send out some more lovely flowers. So we're doing the same procedure on the big rose at the end of the garden, just cutting the old heads off because we want a lot more lovely blooms just like this. So when one flower is still okay, just chop off the one that's dying off, and then when that's done, cut back to the further stem. It's quite therapeutic just to have a break from weeding, just to cut round the rose plant. Lots of new shoots coming up. So we've got a nice harvest of onions, and we had some tomatoes. Well, I keep eating them, but that's a bit of a harvest. So now our board beans are all pretty much done. I'm just going to cut them down and leave them in the ground. Just cutting. I'm going to leave the remaining in the ground, because then that's going to put some nitrogen back into the soil. I'm going to leave them for a few weeks, just cutting away the leaves. Just going to leave the base of all our plants. Taking off the board beans for a harvest, and that'll be done for the board beans for this year. So what can we put in this bed? Well, we can plant some lettuces, some radish, or we can even start some of the winter and autumn cabbages, savoury cabbage. We could do those in this bed. It's got pretty hot now, so we're going to come back. Oh, I think I've got some neighbours. So let me know in the comments, what should I do with my pumpkin? It's looking very sad. I'm tempted just to cut off these dead leaves and hopefully it will recover. Getting a bit of rain again now, so hopefully it will recover. So just a quick video today, just a quick update of what I've been up to. I'm going to dehead some of my roses because they're looking really sad, and we shall be getting home for Sunday roast dinner. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and check out this video here, as YouTube will recommend it for growing some fruit and vegetables. Cheers.